So let's run it. So yeah, it's error free. Go to the output file first, because we are going to check the frequencies, right? So the frequency of this complete structure and machine system should be above 14 hertz, right? So the frequency is just above 14 hertz, that is 16.88. The second mode it is 23 hertz, right? So one thing is clear, that our structure is fully optimized. If we just simply reduce any section, we may deviate this one, right? Therefore frequency is passed. Now it's time to check the deflection, right? So first we have to check whether this supporting node, these were the supporting node, right? This one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's check. So here you can see, yeah, y displacement is only 11 micron, right? But the machine will move, vibrate in along the x-axis. So along the x-axis, let's check. So it has passed marginally, right? So 50.9 micron, but our allowable limit is 50 micron. So what we can do, and also here in positive it is 58. So I think along the x-axis we need to increase what we have to do to reduce this deflection along this x-axis. We have to increase the stiffness along this direction. So one way is we can increase the stiffness of the bracings, right? Or you can say we can increase the size of the bracings. That is one way. And it also can be done in some other ways also. So let me know in the comment what is that way also. So if you find that this video is useful to you, or maybe useful to someone else who is working like this, please don't forget to share it, and also don't forget to give it a like.